Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we make complex tech simple and fun. Today, we're diving into a handy tutorial, how to open Recycle Bin without icon, 2025. If you've upgraded to Windows 2025 and can't find the Recycle Bin icon on your desktop, don't panic. It's still there, just a bit hidden. This could happen if you've customized your desktop or if the icon got accidentally removed. By the end of this video, you'll know multiple easy ways to access it quickly. Let's jump right in. First, the simplest method is using the Run dialog box. Just press the Windows key plus R on your keyboard to open the Run window. Type in Recycle and hit Enter. Boom! The Recycle Bin folder will pop up instantly. This works great if you're keyboard savvy and want to skip mouse clicks. If that doesn't do it for you, try the search function. Click on the Start menu or press the Windows key, then type Recycle Bin into the search bar. Windows 2025 has a super smart search that should bring it up as a top result. Select it, and you're in. This method is perfect for those who prefer a more visual approach. Another cool way is through File Explorer. Open File Explorer by clicking its icon on the taskbar or pressing Windows plus E in the left-hand pane. Look under This PC or Quick Access. You might see the Recycle Bin listed there. If not, navigate to $Recycle Bin, but be careful, as this is the hidden system folder. Always use the proper methods to avoid any issues. One more tip for power users: use Command Prompt. Open it by searching for CMD in the Start menu, then type explorer.xshell, Recycle Bin folder, and press Enter. This will open the Recycle Bin directly. Windows 2025 has made these commands even more efficient, so it's worth trying if you're into scripting. There you have it. 4 straightforward ways to access your Recycle Bin without relying on the desktop icon. Whether you're recovering a deleted file or just organizing your trash, these tricks will save you time. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more 2025 tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.